Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today's recipe is from Chetna's Easy Baking, and the book is out now and it's coming out in the US on the 5th of September, or maybe it's the 6th. But I just wanted to say that thank you for those who have bought the book so far and have tried the recipes and shared the pictures with me. Today, I've chosen a savory recipe from the book because I just want to say that the book is not just cakes. I'll tell you a bit about the chapters. It's something from the garden, something indulgent, a bit of savory, some vegan, something small bites, and obviously something on the side, which has a lot of chutneys and dips. Obviously, it's my book, so I have to have some chutneys in there, and I am making a delicious dip from the book today because it's a really good one to have on your barbecue table, or if you're making some small bites to eat to share with your friends and family. This is a really delicious dip to have on the table, and I'm going to use this dip to make another bake in a video very soon. Sorry, my mic was shut. I didn't realize, so I am doing the voiceover. But I will definitely try my level best to see my future videos have no mic issues. So this is what I am making today. So let's get cooking. All we need are some basic ingredients like aubergines, garlic, chilies, and it's going to be ready very quickly. You just need a bit of patience while you are roasting the aubergines. So let's get cooking. So I'm going to start with 4 aubergines. Now the recipe in the book uses 2 aubergines, so I have just doubled the quantity. So the 4 aubergines, and with a knife, just prick it all over. You can also use a fork, just making sure that you prick all the aubergines properly all over. Just use a little bit of oil, whether it is sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, olive oil, whatever you use in the kitchen, and make sure you rub it all over the aubergines. The oven is really nice and hot. It's on the grill setting, so I'm just cooking this under a grill for a few minutes, and after around 10-15 minutes, just make sure you turn the aubergines over. It's really hot, and don't try this at home by hand. Use something else, but I just end up using my hands for doing such things. But so another 10 minutes, I'm just going to turn them over. Once again, you can see that the skin of the aubergines is turning and crinkling up, and that means that the inside is getting all cooked up and beautiful. I'll give it another 10 minutes, so a total of around 30 to 40 minutes should be plenty to cook these aubergines. Now I'm going to take them out and leave them to cool on the side till they are easy to manage, and peel the skin off all the aubergines. And just make sure that you peel the skin off so we can get to the really nice smoky aubergine part. So once we've peeled all of this, the skin can be discarded, and I'm just going to break off the heads of the aubergine, making sure that I've got all the inside out. And once I have done that, the inside of the aubergine, the beautiful part, just chop it up really well, as finely as possible. And because it's really soft and smoky and cooked beautifully, it should really be no trouble doing this chopping up. It should chop up really easily. And that's all the aubergine. I'm going to finely chop 5 to 6 really chunky garlic cloves, a nice hot pan, 2 to 3 good tablespoons of olive oil I'm using here, and then I'm going to add 2 chunky chilies, red chilies, and the garlic. Now I'm using a lot of chili because they are not very spicy. I couldn't find the hot ones, so I'm just using the milder chilies, but it's totally up to you I get this question a lot, what variety is the chili? I don't get many varieties here. So there is a mild one and there is a really hot one. But you can use whichever chili you like. If you like it really hot, go for your choice of chili. But I would definitely say add a little, because a little bit of heat is really needed in this particular recipe to bring out the flavors. So just cook it for a couple of minutes until the garlic starts to change the color. And now for the spices, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and also teaspoon of salt goes in. And then for the herbs, in the book I've used flat leaf parsley, but I haven't got that at home today, so I'm just using the same amount of coriander finely chopped, just a handful, around 20-30 grams, and then goes in our chopped up roasted aubergine. Just a really, really good mix. See, I'm not using any major spices, just the store cupboard ingredients, and then just cook this on high heat for the last couple of minutes. The last thing to go in is just a squeeze of lemon juice or lime juice, whichever one you have at home. Give it a good mix, and then this is ready to plate up. This is delicious, nice and warm, but also absolutely stunning when it's at room temperature. So you could serve this on the side of some meat or some barbecued chicken, or even some chapati and dal. And I'm going to use this delicious aubergine dip to make a beautiful crispy bake very soon. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back very soon with another new recipe. And obviously, if you want a written recipe, it is available in my book, Chetna's Easy Baking. I will leave the links in the description below. But I'm going to tell you how it tastes first. Look at that. So here it is, the roasted aubergine chutney. This is beautifully spicy and a little tangy because of the lemon, and it is absolutely stunning. You can have it, like I said, with absolutely anything, but I am going to eat it right now with just some crisps or chips or papad. This is really good with some poppadoms. If you have, just scoop out with some crisps and enjoy it as a snack. So, so good. I hope you will give this recipe a go. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So, so good.